Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to go from 0 to 100K in 63 days. And that's not just $100,000, that's $100,000 every single month. And I'm going to do it too. I'm going to join you along for this journey. Hey, I'm Ian Forever Lucid, and I help people lucid dream consistently. And now I'm going to help people manifest in the waking world. So, how are we going to get to this $100,000 a month goal in 63 days? Sounds big, sounds grand, right? Well, there's many people who've done a lot more in a lot less time, but this is our journey and we're going to follow this. So, if you're just joining us, go ahead and check the link below if you're interested in learning how to lucid dream, or if, depending on when you're watching this, you can join the Manifest course and learn how to do this too. So, what's my plan of attack? How am I going to get to this $100,000 a month goal? And why do I want to do it? Well, first, the why. Well, I want to create a product that allows everybody to fly with just a pair of shoes. And I realized I'm going to need engineers and designers and 3D printers to create this reality. So that's why I'm starting off with the $100,000 a month goal to generate income to fund that engineering project. All right, so how are we going to get to this $100,000 a month goal? So if you're joining me, grab a pen and paper. Go ahead and pause this video if you need to. All right, so now we're going to have our current assets and our future assets. An asset is something that generates you money. So for me, my current assets are the Lucid Dreaming course, social media, and my time. My future assets are the manifestation course I'm building, other social media I'll create, and outside affiliate links. So how am I going to build up the social media starting from ground zero if you have no social media followers? How do you grow it? Well, there's a few ways. We're going to try with viral videos. We're going to use affiliate links. So people who already have an established audience, we're going to reach out to them and try to negotiate a deal that's a win-win scenario. You always want to create win-win scenarios so everybody benefits in the deal and everybody's happy. So we're going to need to find specific channels focused on sleep, lucid dream, and manifestation. And I'll reach out to these channels and I'll document that journey. So here's the challenge. From day 1 to day 63, we need to grow from 0 to $100,000 a month in recurring revenue. So how do we make it recurring? Well, there's a few different models you can do. You can have a method in place that keeps getting more and more people involved to purchase your product or service, or you can have a subscription model. And that's also a future asset I'll add. A subscription model for lucid dreaming. So you can learn how to lucid dream and get dream interpretation in the Lucid Collective. All right, so I think since I already have the course, it's proven to be successful, and I won't need to create anything new, I'm going to start off with the Lucid Accelerator. So I've sold this course from anywhere from $400 to $2,500. When I sell it for $2,500, I have more personal one-on-one time. Often to close a bigger deal like that, it needs to be over the phone. But with the $400 offering, I evolved the course to a point where if you just take the course and really apply yourself and put in a minimum of 10 to 30 minutes per day of the action items I list out in the course, you'll get amazing results and have lucid dreams pretty much every week if you keep up with it, on multiple times per week for the advanced students. So I'm going to keep the price point at $400, and for that affiliate offer, I'm going to offer them 20% of every customer who purchases the Lucid Accelerator. So after taxes and Stripe's fee, it ends up being about $385. So I'm going to offer $77 for every person the affiliate brings in. So these affiliates could be just salespeople who want to make more income, the podcast I'm on, the social media channel I reach out to who wants to help grow this course and business. And this is how I'm going to do it. So day 1 is starting tomorrow. So go ahead and subscribe if you're not already so you can keep up to date with this. If you want to follow along with the journey and do this with your own business, I'm teaching a manifestation course at foreverlucid.com. Go ahead and sign up there. Depending on when you're watching this, it should be available. And yeah, so that's it. We're going to get started from day 1 to day 63, and let's see if we can make this growth. All right, talk to you soon.